perfect for a holiday party, or customizable for any occasion. These minty miniature cheesecakes are great for everyone, and I'll show you how they're made starting now. To start off this recipe, we need to make a crust. You can use any of your favorite recipes or customize this crust so you can make it any way you like. For my crust, I used 2/3 cups of gluten-free graham crackers that have been crushed. You can also substitute this for your favorite cookie or graham cracker if you're not gluten-free. 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Start off by preparing 12 standard-sized muffin papers by placing them in a muffin tin. Spoon the crust mixture into the pre-paired muffin cups, evenly distributing the crust mixture between the 12 cups. Using the bottom of a small glass, press the crust into the bottom of the muffin tin. Set these aside. Next, let's move on to the filling. Here's what you will need. 12 ounces of vegan cream cheese at room temperature, 1 cup of vegan vanilla yogurt, you can use a coconut yogurt or a soy yogurt, 3/4 cup of maple syrup or granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of arrowroot flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. This is where you can play with the flavor and substitute what you like. Maybe try a lemon cheesecake, or use vanilla if you'd like it to be plain. 3 full-size candy canes that were crushed. Again, this is optional and you can leave it out if you want to change the flavor. Moving on with our cheesecakes, preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a baking dish half full of water on the lowest rack. Close the door and allow this to heat while we mix our ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together thoroughly. You want your mixture to be well together, but not too lumpy. Next, carefully spoon the filling onto the prepared crust in an even amount. Avoid leaving air bubbles on the bottom as much as possible. Once your cups are filled, smooth the top and then place the cheesecakes in the middle rack and bake for 25 minutes. Be sure to be diligent and do not open the oven, allowing the heat to escape. After 25 minutes, you want to cut the heat and allow them to rest in the cooling oven for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, remove it from the oven and allow to cool for an additional 20 minutes before refrigerating. Refrigerate cheesecakes for 6 to 8 hours and allow them to set. At this point, the cheesecakes are ready. If you'd like to remove them from their wrappers, freeze the cheesecakes until they are very firm and then carefully remove the wrapper. While my cheesecakes were freezing, I worked on making some candied mint for a garnish. In a food processor or blender, pulse sugar shortly to make it fine. Do not overdo this or it'll become powdered sugar. Dip the mint leaves in corn syrup, and then using the edge of your bowl, scrape off any excess, and then coat in the sugar. Lay the mint leaves over a wire rack and allow to dry. Garnish cheesecakes with powdered sugar, candied mint, miniature candy canes, and raspberry. Your miniature cheesecakes are here. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for the full recipe. If you're new to my channel, my name is Eric. I'm a certified culinarian and I make vegetarian lifestyle content as well as vegan and gluten-free videos. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a future recipe. Our cooking adventures don't have to stop here. If you'd like to see how I went outside and cooked a curry inspired by Pokemon, check out the video on the screen. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.